Hi, my name is Dave Tiller and I am the Technical Director at Ventrolla. To remove the bottom sash, start by removing the poppers, screws and cups or pins from one of the vertical staff beads. Slide the bottom sash up and tilt towards you, allowing the sash to be removed from the frame. Release the cord from the side of the sash, then guide the brake back towards the pulley to keep the cord in place. This may need 2 people depending on the size and weight of each sash. The bottom sash can now safely be put to one side. To remove the top sash, take a flat-headed screwdriver to remove the parting bead. Lower the top sash to a comfortable height and tilt it towards you, allowing the sash to be removed from the frame. Guide the brake back towards the pulley to keep the cord in place. Release the cord from the side of the sash. The top sash can now be put to one side. You can now remove all remaining parting beads. With both sashes removed, this gives you full access to the internal frame and sashes for cleaning, decorating or repair. Once everything is painted and dry, simply reverse the steps to put the sashes back into the frame. Reconnect the cords to the side of the sash. Slide the sash back into the frame and refit the parting bead, making sure the sash slides freely. Repeat the same steps for the bottom sash. Reconnect the cords to the side of the sash. Slide the sash back into place and refit the staff bead, making sure the sash slides freely. The process is now complete. Please enjoy your windows.